In this video, we will explore how to manage receipts and ledger reports to close outstanding bills. Select the Outstanding Report option from the Accounts section in the navigation bar. Tap OK to display the outstanding report. Click on Details in the Online Booking section. In the Balance Amount section, please review the outstanding amount. Verify all the details in the reports. Choose Receipts from the Accounts section. Click on the New Receipt button in the top right corner to create a new receipt. Type into the Ledger field to search and select the ledger for the new receipt. Click on the Account drop-down to select an account. Select SBI Bank from the Account drop-down list. Enter the payment amount in the Amount field. Type in the details of the transaction in the Narration field. Select the receipt for the outstanding bill. Click the Save button. Click the Print button to print the selected receipt. The outstanding bill has been tallied and closed. Confirm the receipt number along with any other relevant details. Click on Outstanding Report again. Click the OK button in the pop-up to confirm the report criteria. Click the Details button corresponding to a ledger entry to view more information. The balance has been updated. Hence, the outstanding concerns can be addressed successfully.